All right, let's unbox something game-changing for bloggers today. This is Buildfast, found on AppSumo. Super hyped to try it. First impression, sleek interface, modern design, very user-friendly. I'm excited because this promises instant Notion to blog conversion. No coding skills needed at all. Huge relief for non-techies. Let's dive in and see how fast I can launch a blog. Step 1. Connect my Notion account. Super straightforward. Step 2. Choose a Notion page to publish as a blog. Wow, the preview loads instantly. No lag, no fuss. The UI customization is drag and drop. Changing colors is effortless. I can add my own logo and branding in seconds. Let's check out custom domain integration. Just a few clicks. I love that you can host on your own domain or subpath. Brand consistency is super easy to maintain with this. Now, SEO settings, this is where it gets impressive. The SEO interface is intuitive, even for beginners. Google Lighthouse scores are off the charts. Performance and accessibility. You can tweak meta tags, descriptions, and more right here. Let's look at newsletter sign-up forms. Fully customizable. I can embed a sign-up form directly into my blog. Webhook and email notifications are built in for real-time alerts. Lead capture feels seamless, perfect for growing my audience. Now, let's publish and see the live result. My Notion page is now a professional-looking blog instantly. Navigation is smooth, everything looks polished and branded. Content updates in Notion sync automatically to the blog. That's a massive time saver for content teams. Let's explore payment and invoicing features for freelancers. Integrated payments and resource management are all in one place. Financial workflows are streamlined. No need for extra tools. Overall setup took less than 10 minutes. Super efficient. I didn't write a single line of code. Love that. The platform feels stable, fast, and genuinely professional. Ideal for bloggers, entrepreneurs, and content creators like me. If you want to launch a blog fast, this delivers. Customization options are deep but never overwhelming. SEO tools are top tier, which is rare at this price. Newsletter and lead capture are built in. No extra plugins needed. I highly recommend Buildfast for anyone using Notion. It's the fastest way to go from idea to live blog. Check out the best Buildfast deal on AppSumo today. Don't miss out. Transform your Notion pages into pro blogs now.